vigilante, grabbing all the currency you can't see. Treasure on my shore, pirate in my sea, making waves like Sandy. Cowboy drinking brandy. Money in the hand made the sheriff put the tariff on the land, and the scheme turned grand and fancy. My whole colony getting antsy, rich getting richer, no plan B. Take your regulator stand.
Yo, he's our bandmate in Technicolor lenses. He's up at Cosmo tonight. Let's just show him some love real quick. Yeah, Essex, you the homie. Smokers called Essex.
This is the outro. Independence Day isn't really what I'm about though, because we already independent. I put the with the independent and I write a verse and then I send it back to my phone, email and text message and download it, then I record it and I get telepathic, you can't score it like a goal of soccer, World Cup, y'all. USA is on that. Yeah, we come through when we going back in cognac planets, coming through with the beats and grinning. Yeah, can't comprehend it. I just need it and accept it when it comes to the news. And I'm running on that reserve power. Before I walked here, yeah, I took a shower hour, then I got the happy hour. Coming with the nappy tower, then we get the rounds and moving back, and then we got the power.
Wait a sec. Is everyone dancing? Yeah! Yo, J Fire. Yo, big love, we're gonna cut it, y'all. Thanks so much. Yeah. Yo, Jackson, Whalan, B.Riddz's, get ready for an awesome night, y'all. Homie GDP hooked it up for us today, 4th of July. Make noise!